Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very short unboxing, not like my usual face-to-face, well, sort of face-to-face unboxings, unfortunately, because I am going away on holiday tomorrow. All my cameras are all packed away, and this box, as well as some other boxes, arrived about half an hour ago, and it's now 8 o'clock at night. So I was thinking I can't upload any videos, but then I thought I got a mobile. I'll just do a very, very quick one, just so that I'm sharing it with you. But this box is kind of gifted to me from Glossybox for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. This gorgeous design this month. Dive in. It is beautiful. All links related to this box and any other offers and any other limited editions and discount codes you will find down below in my description. Let's get into seeing what's inside. Oh, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 6 items this month. Normally we get just 5. We have got here a nail file by Glitterbells, the UK's #1 training provider for aspiring nail technicians. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I actually need one for my toes. That's one thing I've got to do is my toenails before I go. Okay. Then we have got a Balance Brave New Hair. This is a leave-in scalp tonic, soothing and moisturising with AHA's fermented aloe, hyaluronic acid and prebiotic, and there's 75 mils there. Then we have got a Nails Ink, a little nail polish in shade Mayfair Lane. It's like a pale pink there. We've got a detangling brush here. Doesn't have a name, doesn't have any logos or anything on it, but it's a detangling brush for your hair. Then we have got a e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. I'll just open it up. It's in shade Lady Dame. Ignore the first one, that was from the other box I just filmed. It's that one there, the pale one. It's really, really pretty. It's got some sparkles in it as well. So yeah, so there's that. Next, we've got a product by Josephine. This is an Eye Define in Meet Jolie. Hold on. It's a liquid eyeliner. That is really pigmented. Yeah, so we've got a liquid eyeliner there. And yeah, that is it. There's no QR code. Normally, oh, there it is. I was going to say, we get a QR code, so then you're able to scan it for more information about the products. So we've got a liquid eyeliner. We've got a leave-in scalp tonic. We've got a pink nail polish. We've got a nail file. We've got a hair detangler. And we've got a e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. So those are all the products inside this month's Glossybox. I'd love to hear what you think. Please comment down below. And thanks for watching. And I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.